Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 27th. Hagia Sophia is completed in Constantinople 537. On December 27, 537, the magnificent Hagia Sophia was officially completed in Constantinople, modern-day Istanbul. Built under Byzantine Emperor Justinian I, it was the largest church in the world at that time. People were amazed by its enormous dome and stunning interior design. The building became a major religious and cultural center for the Eastern Orthodox Church. Its unique architecture inspired many future churches and mosques. Today, Hagia Sophia stands as a powerful symbol of history and human creativity. Charles Darwin begins his historic voyage 1831. On December 27, 1831, Charles Darwin set sail on the British ship HMS Beagle for a journey that would change science forever. The voyage took him to distant lands such as South America and the Galapagos Islands. Darwin studied animals, plants, and fossils that were very different from those in Europe. These observations made him question how species developed over time. His ideas later led to the theory of evolution. This journey became one of the most important scientific expeditions in history. Jana Gana is sung for the first time 1911. On December 27, 1911, the song Jana Gana was sung publicly for the first time in Calcutta. Written by Rabindranath Tagore, it was performed during a session of the Indian National Congress. The song expressed unity and pride among the people of India. At that time, India was under British rule, and the song inspired feelings of freedom. After independence, it was officially adopted as India's national anthem. The Great Poland Uprising begins 1918. On December 27, 1918, the Great Poland Uprising began in the city of Poznań. Polish citizens rose against German control after World War I ended. The movement was inspired by a patriotic speech from Ignacy Jan Paderewski, a famous musician and leader. People fought bravely to regain their homeland and independence. The uprising helped Poland reclaim important territories and shape its modern borders. Radio City Music Hall opens its doors 1932. On December 27, 1932, Radio City Music Hall opened in New York City and quickly became world famous. Known as the showplace of the nation, it amazed audiences with grand performances and stunning stage designs. Visitors enjoyed movies, live shows, and the famous Rockettes dance performances. During the Great Depression, the venue offered hope and entertainment to struggling citizens. Today, Radio City Music Hall remains a treasured landmark of American culture. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.